世界最大，提供就算多20座史達大樓都夠用嘅能源，呢個只係一個開始。大家可唔可以想像，我哋城市唔使再依靠煤、石油或者核能？呢個就係我哋嘅目標，香港史達大樓。Hi, I'm Tony Stark. I'm ready to save the world.
When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark for your up-close tour of the largest arc reactor in the world. But now, it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today, Jarvis.
唔該晒，何小姐。
Jarvis is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
講得冇錯，我已經被載入鐵甲號嘅運作系統，可以全方位控制飛行汽車。我相信我哋好快就可以起飛。
Thank you, Jarvis. We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
當自動門打開之後，請直接進入倉位，沿住座位通道直入，盡量填滿每一個空位。所有攜帶物品必須收好，放喺你座位下邊嘅儲物籃入邊。從座位右邊拉出安全帶，扣入左邊卡位，並向行近嘅飛行人員。
Pleasant flight.
请带起您的随身物品，并从右侧离开。
就幫你衫啊，凍㗎，有風㗎，喺書包度。
You are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by. The launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集中激光炮。
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。 個燃反應能源器可以，立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史特先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源
Okay,
器。
fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻翻去科技線。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史特先生。飛行穩定器回復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo. Hey, miss me?
史特先生，
1, 2, 3. Get him, Mark Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史特先生小心。
I am really. Go! Nice ultra stuff. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史特先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness. Well, shoot that! Yeah! No, beating, go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much. Uh-oh.
系統冇火，
Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot me the grappling cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史特先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦，
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even yell. Okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。